Hello, impressive human beings, and welcome to Live Your Impressivity TV show. Are you a complete beginner when it comes to journaling? Then keep watching because I have some secrets to share with you. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, click the notifications bell so that you can come back every time when I upload new videos. And if you're interested in finding out more tips on journaling and how to start a journal or how to continue your journaling practice, you can check all the other videos and make sure that you go through all the other practices and routines. Let me know if there's something that you would love to find out more about when it comes to journaling and any writing practices, and I'll be happy to create new videos so that I can answer to your questions.
Yeah. Come on.
Have you done this before?
Ha! Only a million times.
For many people, having a journal sounds like a good idea, but then they realize they don't really have time to write in a journal, or they simply don't know what to write in their notebook and how to start. So if you don't know what is important when you start your journaling practice, you can check out this video, which is all about finding your tools, how to set your environment, and how to create a beautiful first practice so that you can rely on your discipline to come back over and over and create this new habit. Once you have the tools implemented and you know exactly what time works for you and you are determined to try out journaling, then you can start thinking about what exactly you want to write in your journal. Free writing is usually the best way to start because you simply start writing about anything. Literally, there are no rules. There is nothing that you need to worry about. Then, of course, you don't need to worry about grammar. You don't need to worry about spelling or, most importantly, about what you write in there because there's no one else who's going to read your journal. It's only for you, and as long as you're honest with yourself, then you don't want to judge yourself and you just want to pour your heart out, just like you would never do in front of someone else. So your journal is going to be your witness on writing out anything that bothers you. But I do understand that it can also be a little bit tricky because if you haven't been using a journal before, then maybe starting out with free writing can be a little bit daunting. So I have prepared for you 10 prompts for journaling that you can use if you are a complete beginner.
Perfect. Fire!
Number 1, I just thought about... Okay, so this is the best way to start your journal. Just write down whatever crosses your mind. It's exactly what you're thinking about that you want to write down to start your journal. It's also a great practice for your self-awareness, and it's really going to help you understand your inner world better. Don't worry about making any mistakes. This is about you and your journal, and it doesn't have to be perfect. Number 2, right now my body feels. Pay attention to your body and notice if there is any pain or any tension, and just write it down. Understanding your body sensations is really a great practice in paying more attention to what your body is trying to tell you. Number 3, I am grateful for. This is one of the most used journaling practices. Writing down your gratitude list means that you are thinking about what you are thankful for and you are connecting to that beautiful feeling. It's a boost of positive emotions and you're also understanding what you have already in your reality and how precious that is. Just give it a try. I believe I can.
I can fly! I believe I can fly!
Yes, if you believe it, you can do it. Write down your qualities and anything that you feel you can do it because, yes, you can. Number 5, what I love most in my life is. This can be a continuation of your gratitude list because this is also understanding how important the things that you already have in your life are and what is it that you love most about it. Connect with the positive feelings, the positive emotions. your family, the people, the situations, and anything that makes you feel happy about your life. Number 6, I am proud of myself for. This is a great boost of your confidence because you can think about some obstacles that maybe you have overcome, and it's really important to be proud of yourself and to acknowledge your strength. Number 7, I feel happy when.
Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof.
This is pretty simple. Just think about what makes you happy and write it down. Number 8, last night I was dreaming about. Keeping a journal about your dreams is a really important practice because you might have some important messages coming to you in your dreams. Your subconscious may try to send you some messages, and it's important that you write it down because you never know what's hidden in there. This is again a journey into your inner world and a great self-awareness exercise. Number 9, for my next birthday, I wish. Okay, everyone loves birthdays, and I'm sure that you are looking forward to your next one. And it's important to think about how you want to spend it, who you want to spend it with, and of course, how you can make the most out of it. Just be happy and connect with those beautiful feelings. Number 10, my favorite memory is. Okay, so you can literally think about anything from your childhood, from your teenage years, anything that you are happy to think about when you look back. You can write until you get tired. Congratulations! You are now a journaling practitioner, and I'm super excited to hear about your experience. Which of these journaling prompts is your favorite, and which one are you going to use and come back to? Let me know in the comments below, and I would love to hear from you. If you liked this video, then give it a thumbs up and maybe share it with your friends and create some accountability with your journaling practice when you find someone that also wants to start journaling. You can begin your routine day by day, or you can start writing weekly and then build from there. Let me know if you have any more questions. Until next time, stay impressive.